Hello and welcome to the second episode of Pandemic, where we unmask several people related stories revolving around the pandemic. Today, we are going to talk about social media in the wake of a pandemic.
I am Ria B. Varghese. Today we are going to talk about how brands use social media to spread awareness about the pandemic. This brand needs no special introduction. We grew up with this brand and even continue to do so. It's none other than the taste of India, our very own Amul. What comes to our mind when we say the word Amul? We are instantly reminded of the white revolution started by Dr. Verghese Kurian. Not to forget its utterly butterly delicious jingle with the Amul girl and its wide range of products with the equally memorable advertisements. But I particularly wish to talk about their cartoons, which we all see in our daily newspapers and social media platforms, never failing to hit the bull's eye with its catchy headline and visuals. Be it a sensational news story or an important event, Amul has never failed to impress us. The onset of the virus and the subsequent pandemic has given Amul the boost required to give us some very creative illustrations on the same. Our first cartoon sends out an important message to frequently wash our hands for 20 seconds, which is the least we can do to keep ourselves safe from the virus transmission and frequent visits to the doctor. At a time when there was a constant rise in the number of active COVID cases, flattening the curve became our utmost priority. The ad here creatively uses its brand to stress upon the need of the hour and enforce the idea that people need to stay in their homes and follow the safety protocols to make this happen. We all are very familiar with PM Modi's speech during the Janta curfew period, in which he urged the citizens of the country to express their gratitude towards the brave hearts risking their lives in this pandemic by clapping their hands, banging steel plates, or ringing the bells. The cartoon here shows the Amul girl engaging in the same, showing their brand solidarity with the notion. Our fourth cartoon here illustrates the time period when domestic airlines were temporarily suspended for 2 months due to the coronavirus outbreak, which was then revoked on May 25th, granting permission to a limited number of flights to remain operational. Last but not the least, our final cartoon accurately represents the corona warriors of our country, which includes the doctors, nurses, and other healthcare workers who were and till date keep their lives on the line to bring us out of this persisting nightmare.
Myself, Ria Ashok. Up next is our very own brand, Uber. Ride-hailing major Uber was founded 11 years ago in March 2009 and was formerly called Uber Cab. Uber Technologies Incorporated, commonly known as Uber, offers vehicles for hire, food delivery under Uber Eats, package delivery, couriers and freight transportation, etc. Being one of the largest providers in the gig economy and also a pioneer in the development of self-driving cars, it is today estimated to have over 110 million monthly active subscribers worldwide. What stands out Uber among other brands is how amidst the ongoing COVID-19 crisis, they are selectively offering rides for essential services only to cater to crucial travel requirements in selected cities like that of Bangalore, Nasik, Gurgaon, Hyderabad, etc. They also look into helping authorities to contain the spread of COVID-19. Limited mobility services, which is what explains the Uber Essentials, have started with the consent of authorities to provide efficient and reliable transportation to riders for essential service locations such as hospitals and pharmacies and are restricted to such service only. They also came up with multiple online campaigns with innovative hashtags going on and trending there. Here, they started with the basic, like how a customer would use Uber Cab for a basic grocery shopping. They mentioned the different steps, which starts from washing your hands before and after the ride the use of sanitizer before and after the ride, to how important it is to wear a mask throughout the ride and even after reaching the destination, how important it is to roll down the windows and air it out, and etc. This, I believe, is the most efficient way to still make people sensitize about the different protocols about the pandemic. We see the hashtag safer for each other, which was one among the many trending hashtags that Uber came up with. They also came up with illustrations that made mandatory the usage of mask every day, which also gave out the message that every day is a wear a mask kind of day. Here we see how Uber celebrated Mother's Day this year amidst the coronavirus crisis. They, along with different small business growers, delivered $1 million worth of flowers to 1 lakh plus moms in senior living facilities this year. The hashtag Thank You Mom and hashtag Move What Matters were the trending those days. Also, Uber delivered over 25,000 free meals in Australia to healthcare workers. They thanked everyone working to keep them safe and for all of them for staying home. The hashtag Thank You for Not Riding with Us and hashtag No Mask No Ride were also among the many hashtags that went trending. How the state governments use social media to spread awareness. In the bid to contain the spread of coronavirus across the state, the Kerala government launched a mass hand washing campaign named Break the Chain. The campaign aims to educate people about the importance of public and personal hygiene, and the campaign was launched by the Chief Minister of Kerala, Mr. Pinarayi Vijayan. The campaign's Instagram handle, Break the Chain, through different memes and cartoons, explained the basic guidelines and protocols to be followed amidst the pandemic to stop the spread of coronavirus. Here we see how a tap and soap have a conversation with each other, and the memes being in the regional language Malayalam. We talk to ourselves about the various ways to contain the spread of virus, whereas what we don't realize here is a basic thing to do, and the biggest solution to stop a pandemic like this begins with us when we use the sanitizer and mask once we step out of house, and make sure that everyone around us, the whole community and the world is safe in these tough times. Next up is a very interesting meme where a father and son are seen conversing with each other, where the father talks to his son with a gun in hand about how to kill down or shoot down the coronavirus, and the son very funnily says that it's just to wash your own hands, father. The careless nature of human beings is also in notice here, where we see a person walking off without washing his hands, and the coronavirus in his hand speaks to itself that just because of the careless nature of the human being, it got its lifespan extended to maybe few months, a few years, or maybe we don't know what time.
Now, we're going to look at how the influencers use social media to spread awareness about the pandemic. Not just brands, but various public figures have took to Instagram to do the needful by presenting themselves to their followers in a funny yet creative way. The 4 people that we are going to talk about today are Srishti Dikshit, Rahul Subramanian, Rohan Joshi and Sonu Sood. Comedian and a former member of BuzzFeed, Srishti Dikshit posted a 1-minute video titled "If I Address the Nation Instead of Modi Ji" after PM Modi's recent address to the nation. Here's what she had to say.
देशवासियों, आज आप सभी के समक्ष मैं इसलिए प्रस्तुत हूँ क्योंकि मैं आपसे एक आसान प्रश्न पूछना चाहता हूँ। वो प्रश्न ये है, Why you got to be so dumb? देशवासियों, मैं आपको याद दिला दूं कि ये कोरोना है, आपके घर का राजा बेटा नहीं कि आप ढिलाई देते ही चले जाएं। गधे मत बनिए और मास्क पहन लीजिए चुपचाप, नहीं तो ये जो आरोग्य सेतु ऐप मैंने आप सभी के फोनों में डाउनलोड करवाई है, उस ऐप के अंदर से मेरा साक्षात हाथ निकल कर आएगा और आपको एक थप्पड़ मारेगा आपके सभी मित्रों के बीच। साथियों, मैं आपको ये भी याद दिलाना चाहता हूँ कि ये एक पैंडेमिक है, विष अमृत का गेम नहीं। अगर एक बार विष मिल गई तो अमृत पाना बहुत मुश्किल है साथियों, क्योंकि अमृत अभी बना ही नहीं है। जिस तरह अपने हर जन्म दिवस पर आप अपनी दूर की बुआ जी के फोन कॉल को अवॉइड करने के लिए अपने फोन में ट्रू कॉलर इंस्टॉल कर लेते हैं, ठीक उसी तरह कोविड को भी अपनी उस दूर की बुआ जी ही समझिए और अपने मुंह पे मास्क रूपी ट्रू कॉलर इंस्टॉल कर लीजिए। मित्रों, याद रखिए कि आपके पास एक ही जीवन है और योलो सिर्फ इंस्टाग्राम पे ही अच्छा लगता है। तो आपस में दूरी बनाए रखिए दोस्तों। हमारी बातचीत को समाप्त करने के लिए मैं संत शाहिद कपूर का जब वी मेट से एक दोहा पढ़ना चाहता हूँ। ज्यादा सट मत मुझसे, समझी? धन्यवाद दोस्तों।
A former co-creator of On Air with AIB and Wake and Bake comedian Rohan Joshi used the platform to post crucial information regarding the people severely affected in the pandemic. His stories became a great source of dissemination of information at times of COVID, as he provided links to various organizations dedicated towards the noble cause. For example, we can see the Mukul Madhav Foundation in Pune raising funds to procure basic food items. Similarly, Paigam in Delhi is collecting funds to improve the living conditions of the waste pickers in Delhi. And Sanjay Gandhi National Park in Mumbai giving shelter to around 11 Adivasi groups. The next video that we have runs along the same lines as of Srishti's video, where comedian Rahul Subramanian posted a video where he plays 4 characters representing the mentality of the general public towards COVID-19 and its safety measures. He also started another series called The Building Uncle. It is a series of short clips where he humorously portrays the one annoying neighbor that we all have.
कोरोना वायरस से लड़ने के लिए क्या मास्क पहनना जरूरी है?
करो क्या? वो तो आपके ऊपर है, आपका मन है तो पहन लेना।
Absolutely, it's symbolic. बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है।
देखिए, डेमोक्रेसी में तो सबको अपना अपना चॉइस है।
See, when we wear a mask, we send a message to the coronavirus that we are standing against it in spirit.
कोविड? नहीं, मैं कोई कोविड को नहीं जानता।
If we all wear masks properly, we can reduce the spread of the virus.
आपने अपना मास्क ऐसे क्यों पहना है?
ताकि मैं फ्रीली सांस ले सकूं।
See, I am someone who inspires people by my talks, so I need to have my mouth uncovered. Because the mask has to cover the mouth, nose and the chin to be effective.
वरना फ्रीडम जो है वो इम्पोर्टेंट है।
This way I can talk to people, inspire them to wear masks and thus help our country.
मैंने मास्क पहना है?
ठीक तरीके से पहनो, मास्क है, मजाक नहीं।
Brought to you in public interest by Savalon Swasth India.
Bollywood actor Sonu Sood, also known as the Good Samaritan, came to the rescue of the migrant workers wanting to go back to their homes when Mumbai was in the clutches of widespread virus transmission, which plunged the financial lifeline of the country into a deep crisis. The actor, featuring in the Oyo ad, emphasized on a very crucial aspect of sanitizing the rooms in front of their customers so that they are assured of its hygiene and little to no risk of infection caused by the virus. In the current situation where people hesitate to book a room even at a posh hotel, the ad effectively secures the attention and interest of its customers to book a room without any worry. The next video shows his venture with Pepsi's Swag Say Solo initiative, stress upon the basic safety protocols to be followed during the pandemic, where physical contact in the form of a handshake or being within a distance of 3 feet can ensure a high risk of getting infected by the virus. He asks the people to follow the age-old tradition of doing namaste or a salam, and if possible staying at considerable distance from people to account for a healthy and safe life in these challenging times.
हैंडशेक को जरा तुम चेंज करो, थोड़ा यारा डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करो, सलाम नमस्ते हंसते हंसते सारे बोलो बोलो योलो, मैं हूँ स्वैग से सोलो।
सही है, मेन स्विच, इस पे फैशन थी, बाथरूम, एसी तो टेबल का बाहर,
पहले स्प्रे फिर स्टे, sanitized before your eyes.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. So please like, share and subscribe to Pandemic to enjoy more videos like this. We will upload our third episode very soon. So until then, stay safe, stay connected. Thank you for watching.